again. So Josephine and I decided that since we got all of these wonderful, great recipes from the staff, we would try to make one. So we have all the ingredients, and we chose one that we knew we had all the ingredients to. And that recipe was from Alex, and it actually goes with the Harry Potter book club, and they're called the Gryffindor scones. So we are going to get started. We have all the ingredients here. We have salt, baking powder, sugar,
butter, an egg, which I think we're going to crack,
some milk, and flour.
and
we have some
flour,
a cutting board with flour on it to prepare. And I thought it would be fun to use this little cookie cutter to shape the scones. So we are going to start. So first we are mixing the, if you can see, probably can't see, but I have the 1 egg and milk, and we're mixing that together to make 3/4 of a cup. And after that, we are going to add the dry ingredients.
Yeah. It smells weird.
So we're going to sift the dry ingredients and slowly add the butter.
All of the dry ingredients, except for the butter. The butter's not that very.
Nope, we added the butter too.
Yeah, not that.
And we're going to use, Josephine's going to use a mixer to mix everything together. Here you go.
Okay, so here's the mixer.
You got it? Nope, turn this up. Alright, so we've mixed everything, and this is what the dough looks like. I had to use some bread flour to flour the cutting board because they were all out of regular flour at the grocery store, and I used my last of the regular flour with the ingredients. So hopefully it comes out good. And then we have our tray here, and the oven has been preheated. I preheated it to 400 even though the recipe said 425 because my oven gets really hot. And so now we're gonna try and make some shapes and put them on the cutting board. You ready, Josephine?
Yeah, did it, and unfortunately we couldn't use the cookie cutter because it was way too sticky, and we set the timer for 13 to 15 minutes.
And we'll show you when they're done.
Yeah. Bye.
Hi everyone. We're back. The scones are done, and as you can see, they came out fantastic.
Yep.
And Josephine is going to butter and put some jam on one.
Yep. And so I'm gonna put the butter on first.
And I have this jam that I bought, and it's actually it's a mosaic, and so it's strawberry and mango together.
Yeah, that's better. Okay.
Now try it.
Now try it? Okay. 3, 2, 1.
It's delicious. Now I just need a good book and some hot tea. Bye, everyone.
Bye.